Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage internship applications with internships.com. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit internships.com in your web browser. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a strong password to secure your account. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new account. Complete your profile by filling out your educational background and skills. Upload your resume to make your application process smoother. Use the search bar to find internship opportunities that match your interests. Filter results by location, industry, or duration to narrow down your options. Click on internships that catch your eye for more details. Read the requirements and responsibilities carefully before applying. Prepare a tailored cover letter for each application. Click the Apply button on the internship listing. Submit your application along with your resume and cover letter. Track your applications in the dashboard section. Make notes on upcoming deadlines or interview dates. Follow up with companies to express your continued interest. Revisit your profile regularly to update any new skills or experiences. Be proactive in searching for new internship postings each week. Engage with company updates or events posted on the site. Utilize available resources and advice sections for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.